that stores energy to power devices. Cold, having a low temperature device, an electronic tool used to play, speak or do work. Electricity, energy carried through wires that makes machines and devices run. Energy, the ability to do work. Heat, type of energy that causes something to become warmer. Move, to go from place to place. Store, to save for later use. Technology, electronic or digital tools that can help people work to use energy to do something.